Okay, welcome back with another video. Today, this video is really interesting for all of you. That all of your friend, one of our friend is commented on our video and asking that let me read his comment and I will try to make a tutorial for you, for my friend and all of you. Okay, routed my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and cannot go tripped instantly. Now all banking apps keep failing. Okay, this is really a headache point, and everyone is facing the issue. So I would like to ask my friend that which where are you from and which country are you now right now, so that will be easy for me to make a tutorial and find out the exact custom ROM file that will work on his current device which he where he is facing the problems. Okay, let me uh, go back and ask the questions that let me see how what our AI response cloud AI. Yeah, that expected. Knox is Samsung security framework and on the warranty byte if use is belong is permanently and irreversible. Here is what happening and what you can do. First of all, why banking apps fail after routing. Banking apps use Google Play integrity, formerly safety net to check device trustworthiness, a trip Knox counter plus root is equals to fail integrity checks is equals to a block loop. Especially Knox warranty bit is permanently fused to 0x1 can't be reset. Play integrity return need basic integrity files. Apps like banking payment, Google Pay, and some streaming apps check this on launch what actually help hide root with Magisk if you haven't already used Magic with the Zygisk module enable. Okay, let's search this Zygisk. You can get the Zygisk on the GitHub as well if you're facing problem while doing the Magisk. Okay, let's search Magic as well. Okay, you can also get from the GitHub. I will mention both of the links in that video descriptions. Install Shamiko the module. Hide roots from the specific apps. Okay, is still it is also on the GitHub. You can download on it. Okay, let's see the share current videos.
Hi
Let
guys, this is Sadev from
I'm I'm not planning to promote any video right now, but I'm getting the sponsors on my emails and people making proposals me to make a sponsor video for them. Okay, enable the daily list image setting and add your banking apps. Okay, you can see. Okay, pass safety net with Magisk and deny list. That is options you can try. Okay, will Magisk will no longer have Magisk hide natively bundle with Magisk. Unlike, of course, you can use a fork of Magic from another developer. How do you pass safety net without it? Okay, you need to use commands. You can see the screenshots of the GitHub. Let's see. I am making them full images too easy for you to check. Okay, I will mention the images. I will mention the GitHub links only. You can see welcome to Termux wiki. It's running in the smartphone and you can check the roots unstable X11 package. And another image you can see is running the from commands and it's open like this. Select an option below. Edit device fingerprint for basic key extraction. Okay, device simulation disable. See the model readme of the support or the support thread XDA for detail. Enter your desired option. You can check another image, and it is really simple image. You can try at your own risk and run the command to fix up your problems. Okay, note that only props that originally are set to sensitive while view. Okay, this is another image. And you can read the device name, model, result, pass, basics, and other things. Let's back to the point, fix play integrity. Okay, PIX Magic model, pre-app considerations, some banks. The hard truth about Knox, Knox warranty bid permanently, reversible, no option. Google Pay, gone forever. Samsung Pay, secure folder, some feature degraded. Play integrity basic device can be fixed with PIF model which I mentioned already. Play integrity fix. You can read banking app. Most flexible, some stubborn. Okay, realistic outcome with measures plus Shamiko plus PIF. Most banking will work again, but cannot specific Samsung features. Samsung Pay cares certain enterprise MDM stuff and permanently gone since the FUs can be reset regardless of software tricks. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you read my guidelines and easy for you to understand. Okay, we'll meet in another video. Thank you so much. One of our another friend is asking another question, which I will mention, describe in the next video. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you understand my guide. Okay, friend, we'll meet another video. So this will be fantastic, amazing video. I'm not trying to make a AI video at all because YouTube is not allowing and this is not available videos right now and is restricted, prohibited, and it's not my niche. So that's all for niche. Okay, that's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much.